What's up, everybody? This is M36, and I have finally got, I think this is going to be, uh, anyway, for a while, the final piece of the puzzle. This is the Feyachi M36 red dot optic sight magnifier. It says it magnifies from 1.5 to 5 times magnification, and it has a flip to the side mount. Um, it costs $70 on $80, excuse me, on Amazon, and there'll be a link in the description below where you can get yours. Let's go right to it. So already a lot of very much different look from what we've seen from the Feyachi packaging. Okay, let's see. We have a little pamphlet of some sort here. Basically some stuff about the magnifier. We will get familiar with this. It's like a warranty. It looks like it comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Very interesting. Micro fiber cleaning cloth, and actually, I don't even think this is microfiber. What it is a cotton cleaning cloth. In all actuality, it's a cotton cleaning cloth. All right. A little Allen wrench. Excuse the shaking about. So here's the flip to the side mount. We'll fool with that in a minute. And here is the magnifier itself. It doesn't have any covers or anything on it, but there it is. So far it looks nice. The glass looks nice. All right, so what I'm going to do, let me make sure I'm not missing anything in the box here. Let's set this aside. Let's get into this. All right, so here's the flip to the side. Get this out of here. Bit. Push button. And it flips. You flip it on out the way. All right, so I'm going to go over the instructions, get familiar with everything, and then I'm going to come right back at you. All right, after going over these instructions, which they're not very detailed, but basically what it tells you is basically just put it together and line it up with your red dot scope optic. It does say if you're looking through your magnifier, and if the dot does seem off, it won't, as long as your red dot is 0, it shouldn't affect your shot. But if you do want it to get more aligned, these are centering screws, and it doesn't tell you specifically which one can, I guess it depends on your perspective. You basically use these to screw around and see if you can get it more centered, your red dot more centered. These are called centering screws. These little points here and here. These are your magnification points. And so it looks like it's, again, it would be neat, it would be easier if they simply had a little coordinating white arrow or something like that. But instead, what it is, it's rubber, well textured, and you basically just turn it, like starting at 1.5, you rotate it, and it's just like a little rise. And it's like a 3 grooved rise, and I'm assuming you just center the middle groove onto the magnification point that you want. So right now it's on 3, 4, 5, and then that's the max is 5. It feels very sturdy, feels well built. We're going to go ahead and install this, and we'll see what it looks like and see how we're rocking and rolling. With a little magic, there we are. We have the red dot and we have the magnifier, both from Feyachi, and the backup scopes. So we're going to use a 0.5-inch riser first to see if that gets us lined up, and it doesn't. It's a little too low. The 1-inch riser that comes with this the scope is too high. So maybe 0.75 is going to be our sweet spot as far as risers go. So we're going to go ahead and throw this 0.75-inch riser on from UTG, and it gets everything lined up perfectly. So there we are. I'm also able, I want you to notice, I'm able to get my backup sight underneath the magnifier as well, so I don't have to move my backup. Now originally this will swing out into your face if you put it on, but you can invert it and swing it out the other way. Not a hard thing to do. This is looking through the sights without the magnifier, and then this is looking through it with the magnifier, and there it is. Now the only con I have with this whole setup, guys, and I don't even know if I'm going to keep it on there yet, it's so hard to get that perfect position to into eye relief. The eye relief says it's, I think it's 2.3 to 3.6 inches out. And you really have to be in that sweet spot. And if you're not in that sweet spot, you're going to have a rough time seeing through the magnifier. That's just what it is with the Feyachi magnifier. I don't know if that's how all of them are. I know all of them do have an eye relief distance of some sort, but I don't know if they're so finicky. And this one is a bear to keep in view, if that makes sense to you guys. I hope I'm explaining that correctly. But it is what it is. I can't wait to get this out and put it through its paces, but being what it is here in Tennessee and the rest of the world, it might be a little while before I'm able to get out and do anything with it. Still waiting on some accessories. I have a sling coming in that we'll be bringing you guys, taking a look at that, and maybe a forward vertical grip or something like that. I don't know. We'll see. But in any case, thank you guys for watching. Be safe out there, man, and live the dream.